everybody? Okay, so we're gonna go through the assets of the month from Unreal because it's Christmas time again. Christmas time again. So you get a couple of these things. You get environments bundle with 6 maps, modular sci-fi indoor outdoors, Tokyo stylized environment. Ooh, replicated grab system, and advanced flock system. All right. So this is the sci-fi modular. Oh, we should do the environments first because it was first, mate. So you get some really cool things here. I think they're pretty damn cool. They're not the most realistic assets, but they are pretty cool, and you can use them. There's a lot of cool models here. Now, they're pretty cool as is, but you can remember you can retexture all of these things if you wanted to. If you wanted to bring it a little bit more realistic, but all in all, I mean, the assets are there, really cool, and it's not just the neon one. There is neon Forglar desert map, Tomato City, Treehouse Sci-Fi, and Hell Cage. So there's quite a few different. There's a lot of assets here. I mean, it used to go for 221. God damn, that's a lot. Anyway, pretty cool. Then you get to like this modular sci-fi thing. This is just, wow, this is pretty. This asset is not designed to use with nanite. Interesting, but otherwise very beautiful, very beautiful. I mean, very realistic, very nice, cool assets. There's no video, so we can't show you a video, but some cool little modular things happening there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Then you get the Tokyo stylized environment, and this one does have a video. Lots of videos. So this is pretty cool. It's a stylized pack, but once again, man, this is pretty cool. Huh. Very pretty, huh? Very like bright and happy, and you could make a happy game. You could make a happy game in this. And that is why I won't be using it, mate. Or like the depression, black violence, and monsters, mate. But this is really nice, man, and I'm just kidding. This is pretty cool. Very nice. Cool. Let's see what the next is. Replicated grab system. Take a look at the showcase. You can use your items as you wish. I mean, this is pretty cool. You can grab stuff. It's a grabbing system, Ari. Look at that, Ari. Get in the corner, Ari. No one likes your face, you wee bastard. Watch wearing studded bastard. I mean, this is pretty cool. If you need these kind of mechanics, grabbing and stuff, grabbing, physical grabbing, throwing, stuff like that, mate. This is pretty cool. All right. It's nice. Good. And then we get onto this one, which I think is the most exciting one for me, Advanced Flock System. I didn't say a swear word, I said flock. Flock off, mate. Flock off. Ari, flock off. And this one looks pretty cool. Like this is pretty cool. Like a flocking system for birds, for fish, for bees. Although we do have Motion Designer now built into Unreal 5.4, but still, you don't have to set anything up. Everything's there, interactable, collisions, forces. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. Let's see if there's another video. Oh, there's 2 videos I love. So pretty damn cool. I mean, different systems, flocking, fish. I'm sure you can use it for birds. I don't see any birds, Mike. I don't see anything. But this is pretty cool. This is something I would use. Nice motion. You don't have to just use fish. You can get creative, right? Like Sentinels. Reminds me of Sentinels from the Matrix. Right? So anyway, they're all free. They're all good. No reason not to get them. I hope this helps, and this is pretty damn cool. I mean, this is wicked. Been proven wrong. It's for fish herds. If you want to make fishes, only fishes. So, I don't know. I'm sure you can wangle it to get what you want, but pretty cool, man. Anyway, I hope this helps. Get them. They're all free. I hope you have a lovely day. Speak to you later. Bye, Chris.